Alright, quick update on Kadena. Let's see what's going on. So Kadena is rocketing to the downside at this moment in time. On the daily time frame, we are down 15%. You can see yesterday we rallied into the news of the Federal Reserve increasing the interest rates. Today we did not see continuation and we dumped like a rock. If we look at the selling volume, it is really terrible. Looking at your momentum indicators, we only recently started to subside from this bearish impulse, and now the bearish accumulation is once again starting, which makes me feel like Kadena does have lower price targets. Now, looking at this, we've got a bearish engulfing candle. We had a fake out of this triangle pattern, and now we're falling all the way back down to the base. If we do push below this bottom at $3.50 by the end of today, I would expect a massive move to the downside for Kadena. Now, if we do hop over to the 4-hourly time frame, what have I been talking about? If you're a seasoned veteran to my Kadena videos, then you already know what I'm going to be talking about. I've been talking about how since we broke down at $7, I personally flipped bearish once we broke out of this ascending channel at, where was it? It was $4.50. We flipped bearish. We broke down, and since then, the trend has been defined by these 4-hourly EMA ribbons. Every time we've come into them, we've got rejected. And what have I been saying? If you've been watching all of my Kadena videos, I've simply been saying, basically every day the price went lower, and we were simply saying the trend is your friend until the end. Wait until you flip the 4-hourly EMA ribbons, buy the breakout rather than assuming you know where the bottom is. And yesterday when we made this video, I think we were looking at this and we were saying, yeah, you know, you're bullish, you've broken out, etc. But I said this in all my altcoin videos, and I said it in Bitcoin as well. I said, you know, Bitcoin, sure, we're bullish on the day, we're seeing a bullish day today, but I will be waiting for 24 hours to see how the interest rate news settles into the market. My exact words were, I want to see how the dust blows over and if we do get continuation. I said I would not be bullish if we did not get continuation coming in tomorrow. And what happened? We got a huge rejection. So once again, the Cowboy family has been sitting on the sideline on the crypto markets for the past, well, I mean, to be fair, we've been sitting on the sidelines for a while now. There have been some altcoins that I have been making some trades on. Check out my channel if you do want to check out a lot of the move to earns that I've been covering recently. They've been doing exceptional. I mean, I don't want to make this video about something else, but everything's down today and Fitfire is rallying. This is something that I hold, by the way. I will be making a video on this later, but jumping into Kadena, it's going to be very simple. Like I say in all my videos, the trend is your friend until the end. Until we do break above these 4-hourly EMA ribbons, there is absolutely no point in getting out of bed. And yesterday we said, if we see continuation, we will buy the breakout at, you know, approximately, hypothetically, if we went up, we'd buy the breakout at 437. The beauty of this is now that the price is coming down, if, let's say, in another 2 days or so, let's say in 2 days time, we do flip these EMA ribbons, the beauty of it now is you'll be buying the breakout at $3.60 instead of buying the breakout at $4.30. The longer you sit on the sidelines in this bearish trend, first of all, the lower the price goes, so the better of an entry point you get, but you're not sitting in the markets pulling your hair out, getting grey hairs and stressing about the price. You're simply looking at it, because if you're like me, I mean, when I say like me, I don't want to paint myself to be some huge Kadena bull, because I'm not. I don't hold any Kadena. I think it's going to be a good short-term trade. I do like the fundamentals on this. I do like the project. I like the team. I like their blockchain is basically probably the easiest way to say. I like the news coming out that, you know, they're giving, you know, I think it was, what was it, 100 million or something to people who develop on top of the JASMY blockchain. So I do think JASMY is going to be a great place to park your money at some point in time. That is not today. It is when the trend reverses. I've been saying this for ages. Congratulations to all of you who have been sticking on the sidelines. We've got tons of bearish volume coming in today. Look at this 4-hour. Very unpleasant business. It looks like we're coming right back down to your low. In the most recent 4-hourly candle after this drop, we even came up and got rejected once again from your EMA ribbon. So as always, the trend is your friend until the end. I'll be sticking on the sidelines for Kadena. I will be updating you when I do plan on entering. And you know when I plan on entering. If you've been watching my videos, you only have to watch 2 videos of Kadena to know what I've been saying. once we flip the 4 hourly EMAs, I get bullish. Until that happens, I sit on the sidelines. That is really all I've got for Kadena today. If I was someone in Kadena, which like I said, I'm personally not, I don't hold any Kadena right now, I will be buying Kadena on the next breakout. And like I said, the beauty of that is the longer I sit on the sidelines, the cheaper the price target is. A lot of people, you know, don't understand that, and they think, oh, you're not buying now, you're gonna FOMO into the pump. That's not how it works. I mean, we're clearly in a huge downtrend. I'm not going to buy the exact bottom, but I will be buying the breakout approximately, you know, 5 or 10% away from the bottom. And like I said, the great thing about that is when we do finally have a trend reversal, if you buy like that, the second we have a trend reversal, you are getting in the second, like I said, we're about to have a trend reversal. So once you buy into a trend reversal, it's probably going to take a decent amount of time before you flip back bearish. The market moves in waves. We move in bullish waves and bearish waves. If we zoom out and look at the squeeze mom, the momentum indicator, you can see, look, you've got a bullish wave and then you're moving down. You've got a bearish wave here. You've got a bullish wave, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. And if you don't have to be a genius to look at this chart. I mean, look, the bears are clearly in control of this downtrend. Momentum recently started to subside and now it's increasing. We've got a bearish engulfing candle. Bitcoin's got a bearish engulfing candle. Bitcoin looks like it wants to come down to 33,000. I would not touch any altcoins until Bitcoin has a confirmed bottom. And it's the same for Kadena. I would not touch Kadena until Kadena has a confirmed breakout of your 4 hourly EMA ribbons. I do look forward to when we finally get to hop on a Kadena video and say, guys, we've flipped the EMA ribbons, I'm entering my trade, but today is not the day. That's all I've got for you for Kadena. As always, not financial advice, cowboy out, and most importantly, peace.